I have the Samsung Galaxy A34 and I'll be showing you how to remove a lock screen pattern, pin or password depending on what you use. Now I'm using a pattern, you might be using a password or a pin. It's the same process to remove that lock screen password. So what you need to do is go into settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to lock screen, tap on that, and then under lock screen go to lock screen type, tap on that, enter your current pin, password or pattern, and then choose swipe. And then once you choose that and it says swipe under under screen lock type, then you can now know that the password has been removed. So now to lock and unlock your phone, simply do a simple swipe up and there's not going to be a password, pin or pattern required. Okay, and that's basically how to remove the lock screen, password, pin or pattern on your Galaxy A34. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below and good luck.